Welcome back to this episode of Grow, Harvest, Cook and Eat 2021 episode 3. In this video, we will be harvesting and sharing with you one of our favorite recipes, cicinda chingri jalfry.
We'll be cooking outdoor in our beautiful garden on this teppanyaki grill.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
Don't skip the video, watch the video till the end because it's going to be getting very interesting. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you should definitely consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Without further ado, Dad, let's start cooking.
Let's start cooking.
This is amazing, Dad.
Oh wow, look at this beautiful cicinda snake gourd of 2021.
21.
Alright Hakim, let's... Ooh, wow.
Look at that, look at this baby, Dad.
It looks beautiful, doesn't it?
Doesn't it look amazing?
It's going to taste amazing.
Our first cicinda harvest of 2021. I am so happy.
Now we need some chilies, okay? So we have plenty to choose from. We have naga chili, we have finger chilies, we have jalapeno. There's so many different chilies to choose from. All right, let's go and harvest some tomatoes.
Wow!
Wow, these are beautiful tomatoes.
Whoa! Look at this. This looks so nice and juicy.
Yes, come on, let's
harvest a few more. Look at this one over here.
We have a couple of nice kira here, yeah? These are Bangladeshi cucumbers. All right, let's harvest those two, okay?
I'm gonna harvest this one first. Wow, isn't this amazing? These are the ingredients that we'll be using for this recipe. Some tiger prawns, which my mum has bought freshly from the shops. Cicinda or snake gourd.
Salt for taste, haldi, zira and dhania. Some chili powder, some curry powder,
and some black pepper.
Vegetable oil, garlic, coriander, onions and fresh tomatoes, and of course
some fresh
chilies. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to first marinate the prawns into all these spices. We cut the cicinda into small pieces and remove all the seeds from inside. So the shell was removed from the prawns. So we're going to put all this in this bowl here. Add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. About 1 teaspoon of haldi. 1 teaspoon of zira and dhania mixed together. And we're going to add about half a teaspoon of chili powder, because we're going to be adding some fresh green chilies, and a teaspoon of curry powder, and some salt for taste. Smells fresh. So we're going to set the teppanyaki in a medium setting, and we're going to add some vegetable oil and some garlic and some onions. Okay, I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons of oil, and if I need more oil, I'm going to add more oil, or just maybe about 3 tablespoons. A pinch of salt.
For some taste.
Okay, a pinch of salt. Smells good.
Yes, Dad, this is like a barbecue, isn't it?
It looks good.
Now grind some pepper.
That's smelling delicious.
Dad, it smells so nice. I can't wait to add the prawns onto this. Now let's add a few green chilies.
Some fresh green chilies.
That's one. How many would we need?
Maybe about 6 or 7. That should be enough.
Let's pick one more.
Add lemon leaves to add extra flavors. Some fresh lemon leaves. Now it's time to flash fry the prawns before we add the cicinda and the tomatoes. Okay, we should put this into there.
Let's put this. This is the most exciting bit, Dad.
Oh, it's looking great.
They look really nice.
Isn't this beautiful?
The colour looks so nice. It's so colourful. It smells so aromatic and beautiful.
Beautiful. It's looking amazingly nice and it's going to taste delicious. If you like the type of videos that we make, you should definitely consider subscribing to our channel.
Dad, this is making me hungry already.
I'm feeling hungry.
I've been waiting all day for this, Dad. You don't know how long I've been waiting to make these prawns.
Now we're going to be adding, so now we flash fried the prawns. We're going to add the cicinda. Okay, should we add them?
There's nothing better than adding your fresh cicinda into fresh prawns. It tastes absolutely delicious.
Oh, it's looking beautiful and amazing.
It's so colourful. Dad, is it time to add the tomatoes?
Yes, time to add the tomatoes and the coriander. Oh, that looks colourful.
Wow, Dad, this looks so nice.
And some beautiful garden coriander. Oh, wow.
Dad, I think we should become professional chefs.
We are professional chefs. Oh, that looks amazing.
Look at the beautiful colours.
This amazing dish is called cicinda, chingri, jalfry.
This is why this is one of my favourite dishes. It tastes so delicious and it's so fun to make. Dad, this looks so nice.
Only if you can smell this and taste this.
Doesn't this look delicious? Just look at this. Doesn't this make you hungry? If it doesn't, I don't know what makes you hungry. Just look at this, baby. It's time to try this. Come on, Dad, let's try this now.
Let's try this out. Oh wow, man, this looks fantastically beautiful. And it smells delicious. Mix it up with some rice cube and try this.
Let's try this. This is so delicious. The prawns are so succulent and soft. And the cicinda has a nice texture to it. This is so delicious. This is why this is one of my favourite dishes. It's nice and salty as well, just how I like it. Let's have some garden cucumber. It tastes so nice and fresh. Look at that beautiful prawn right there. How does it taste?
I must say, the prawn is so succulent.
Try the cicinda.
The cicinda is nicely cooked but crispy. I like it nice and crispy. And it's amazingly spicy. This is why it's called jalfry. strongly advise you to try this out at home.
It tastes delicious and is really fun to make.
If you enjoy watching our videos, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share our videos and subscribe to our channel.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening and happy cooking. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one. By the way, my wife and my daughter did hard work behind the scene. It's nice and spicy, isn't it?
Yeah.
The chili is fantastically spicy.
Spicy, yep.